everyone. So here is an important announcement for you all. I'm offering 50% off on my Reiki level 1 and 2 workshop for all the mothers. It will be a Mother's Day gift from my side to all the mothers out there. So if you want to gift your mother something unique and special this time, you can avail this offer and you can gift your mother a wellness for the lifetime. You can enable your mother to become her own healer. If a mother is a healer, she can heal the entire family. And it is very important for all the mothers to learn Reiki because they are the one who live for their family, who live for others. Nobody can repay for the sacrifices our mothers had made. And this is our time to return something unique or something special to them. So why not? Let them be their own healer this time. So gift them a Reiki healing workshop and you can avail a 50% discount on this workshop for all the mothers. And not only for mothers, this offer is extended for fathers as well. Because there are some fathers who has played the roles of mothers in their lives. तो आप ये ऑफर अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए अवेल कर सकते हैं. You can enroll yourself and you can avail discount of 50% off for your parents. And पेरेंट्स के लिए रेकी सीखना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है because I have been delivering senior citizen batches regularly because it is important for all the senior citizen to learn Reiki so that they can heal themselves. And it has worked wonder for all the senior citizen. बहुत सारे अंकल आंटी हैं जिन्होंने मुझसे रेकी सीखी हुई है and they are surprised with the benefits of Reiki. किसी के नीज का पेन चला गया, किसी का बैक पेन चला गया, किसी को इंसोम्निया था वो चला गया. Without medication they have healed themselves. So try this time gifting Reiki to your parents and see the wonderful miracles it will bring in your lives. And apart from this, I would like to share with you all that I'm having my upcoming workshop starting from tomorrow. And today is the last date to enroll for this workshop, and this is the right time to take this life-changing decision because our planet needs more of a healers so that you can become a healer and you can heal others during this time of pandemic and distress. So you can become a healer and you can heal yourself, your family member. You can keep protected yourself and everyone around you. At the same time, you can help others by offering the healing. And one more announcement is there that I am offering free COVID healing to all the COVID affected people out there. So this is something which is like my part as a healer on this planet to help others and support others, those who have been affected by COVID. Apart from this, we have special COVID, post-COVID recovery packages, and senior citizen would get 50% discount on that too. So there are so many offers and so many opportunities for you to heal yourself and become your own healer. You can design your own life. So there are so many offers, so you can get in touch with me to learn more or understand or explore more about this. And apart from this, I am offering 2 to 4 free consultation every day. So you can connect with me over a quick call to discuss your problems, and I'll be happy to offer the solutions and guide you. So thank you so much for watching me. Stay safe, stay protected, stay blessed, and stay happy. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Bye.